We've looked at the company behind the project, the different house types, the available payment plans. Next is a frequently asked questions segment on the things you need to know before you buy. The type of ownership offered is a 99-year leasehold. Homeowner association fees are $80. In Ugandan shillings, 296,000 per month. Stamp duty fees are 1.5% of the property's value. If the value of the property is 100,000, you will pay a stamp duty fee of $1,500. In Ugandan shillings, 5.5 million. The community has a sauna, clubhouse, coffee bar, meeting suites, a swimming pool, spa, secure parking, lifts, gym, and 24-hour concierge services. You'll have 24-hour security, pool and lift maintenance, and cleaning of the common areas. The apartment doesn't come furnished, however, it can be mutually agreed on with a developer. Modifications can be made for as long as they're not made on the structure and the exterior of the property. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye!